Hi, I'm Ian from Impact Off-Road, and here we are on our at our dealership, and I've just picked up a vehicle from a client. And I'd like to go through a couple of things that is going to cost a lot of money if you don't maintain. And one of the simple things, especially on a dairy farm, in fact I haven't been on any beef farm, sheep farm, horticulture or dairy farm that doesn't have the ability to wash a vehicle. And as you can see behind me, this one has simply got caked hard mud all over the chassis. That means it's going to detrimentally affect all of your wheel bearings, all of your pinion seals, or anything effectively in the drivetrain of the vehicle. And so much so, like, that is just absolutely rock hard. And that means that the vehicle can't breathe properly, vehicles like fresh air, and overall, if this client keeps doing this, it will cost them significantly more money in the lifetime of ownership of this vehicle. Now, this is particular ones from a dairy farm. They have wonderful hoses. Can we please just wash your car once a week and you'll reduce the impact of all of this dirt and dust on all of those seals and critical parts underneath the vehicle. Trying to save you a bit of dollars. Keep up your maintenance. It's always better for you in the long run. At Impact Off-Road, we offer full parts and full service. As you can see, this vehicle's on the back of a transporter. We can come and pick up your vehicle if you want us to, and we can bring it to our workshop, which has 2 hoists, 3 bays, engineering, welding. So whatever is wrong with your truck, we can fix. We've got lots of parts in our parts department, so we are your one-stop shop for taking care of your Impact quad truck or Impact Kei Truck, whatever you want to call them, mini truck, Kei Truck, we're here to help you. Ian from Impact Off-Road, 0800 46 46 72.